Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Netflix on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First, open your system settings on the Nintendo Switch and go to Internet Settings. Select your Wi-Fi network, then click Change Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings and switch it from automatic to manual. In the primary DNS section, delete all zeros and enter this custom address. Once you've done that, press OK and save. Now reconnect to your network. When you reconnect, a message will appear saying registration needed. Click OK and this will open a hidden internet browser window. From here, you can access the internet directly. Simply go to Google and type Netflix in the address bar. Wait for it to load, then sign into your Netflix account. You can now stream your favorite shows and movies right from your Switch browser. Keep in mind this is an alternate method since the Nintendo Switch does not have an official Netflix app. So that's basically how you can get Netflix on Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks.